What up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking back in, gang. Today's video will be showing y'all how we swap out these here two sensors off this here original 3-bolt throttle body. See we got here, drive-by cable, and I'm gonna be swapping it with this here 4-bolt G Plus. Is off eBay. It's one of the cheap ones, but they recommend not using the sensors because they go out. They had some people blow their transmissions. So I'm gonna be using the AC Delco ones that we have here. And we got another sensor right here. I'm gonna show y'all how we install that. And we're gonna put that throttle body on our Trailblazer SS intake. Y'all see what's going on, guys. Appreciate y'all for stopping in. Be sure to leave me a comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I know you'll be happy, guys. As far as the car, it's coming along. Once we do that, throw those injectors in. I'm still working on lining up this here fender. I think I'm missing a couple washers up under this here support that I had removed. And I believe that'll get this here gap closed up. Y'all see we done messed up the paint, but guess it's gonna be all right. We'll make it we'll fix that, make it work. So let's get this here swapped over and installed, and we'll go from there. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so y'all see we removed our sensor first. Both of them. This here ring, guys, it goes on this here stud of our throttle body. You want to take this off and you want to put it on your new one. So let's get that installed. Gonna slip him right on there. Y'all see how that goes, so your sensor won't bottom out. So next we have here, I guess, the throttle position sensor. You see there's a little tab to lock it in place. We're just gonna set him right on there. Line up that tab. Give him a little push down. All right, he is a little tough, but it will go. It will go, guys. It is a little tough. Okay. So I just tapped him on. I gave him a little tap. Y'all see with these here channel locks. Let's throw in our 2 screws and get that locked down. All right, so we got that nice and tight, gang. So if your gasket look bad, you definitely want to check it out and install a new one if it is. Let's go ahead and install our throttle body. And you can see the difference on that opening. It's much bigger than this one. It's actually tapered in. And inside of here might be like a 2.5 compared to almost 4 inches. So we should be breathing pretty good, gang. Let's lock them down. So we got him nice and tight. Let's go ahead and put our sensor back in. Y'all see I cleaned it up, put me a little silicone compound on there. Let's install our sensor, get him locked back down in place as well. Guess we could go ahead on and plug them up now. Put our plug back on our alternator that we got right here. Go ahead and plug him up. Alternator plugged up. Okay. Plug up our what is this? Idle control. Okay. And we got one that's gonna plug right here on our throttle. Got that? So we're looking good on that, gang. Alright, y'all see these screws? I'm gonna remove those and I'm gonna put me some Loctite on those screws, because they say they got a common problem on coming out, and I don't want those to blow into my engine and mess up anything. What I'm using, guys, a big tube of this here thread sealant. So I got me a little on there. Let's reinstall this one, and we're gonna take our other one out and get him locked down. There, that's a little Loctite right to them threads. And we shouldn't have a problem with that coming loose. All right. Next, I'm gonna go ahead on and install my pipe back in place so I can get this thing connected. I'm gonna cut him back a little because he was a little long and sticking out our booth a good bit. So I'm gonna cut him down and reinstall that. All right, I think that's gonna be good enough before I wind up breaking it. He feels pretty tight. Now, let's go ahead on and get our pipe connected. Okay. All right. That went in there much better that time, guys. So. See if we can lock this here plate. All right, gang, y'all see how it came out. The bracket mounted right up to the intake. I think I might put me a lock washer or something down on that. Gotta tighten up my throttle cable on my foot pedal. And I think we pretty good with everything else, gang. So I just gotta lock my my V-band, my clamp down on my pipe, and I think we good, guys. So comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. We'll be installing. We'll show y'all how we install that, clean it up, swap the spring, and I'm also gonna put that blowout valve on there. So I'll holler at y'all next time, guys. Appreciate that love and support, baby. Let's keep it going, you hear me? Yeah.